Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my YouTube channel Calculus and Mathematics Learning. In the previous video we learned exercise number 1.2 first 4 question of question number 6 related with the topic of logarithmic equation. That type of question number 6 that was very important and significant for the board point of view KPK board Pakistan. In today's video I am going to solve the last two questions. Question number 5 means part number 5 and part number 6 related with the same question. Question number 6 related with exercise number 1.2. So let's move toward question. It tells that log of x minus 1 to the base 10 minus log of x plus 1 to the base 10 is equal to 1, and that tells that solve this type of logarithmic equation for an unknown x. So move towards a solution. We learned some of the formula for the logarithm, that log of m to the base a minus log of n to the base a will always be equal to log of base is a, and in the power we will divide m by n. Using the same formula, here the base are same 10 and 10, and here is the minus n between log and log, just like this. Use this formula and solve the equation for unknown x. So log of here the base is a, so here the base is 10, we will write 10 over here, and here the power are x minus 1 and another power is x plus 1, so divide them by each other according to the formula is equal to 1. Now we have another formula for the log, that log of a and x is equal to y. So by removing this log, we will convert this type of logarithmic equation into exponential form. This y will come to the power of a, and this exponential x will come to the right hand side, just like this, by removing log. Using this formula, this one will come to the power of 10, and this power x minus 1 x plus 1 will move to the right hand side. It becomes x minus 1 x plus 1. Now shift x plus 1 to the left hand side and multiply with 10, so it becomes 10 times of x plus 1 is equal to x minus 1. Now multiply it and simplify it. 10x plus 10 is equal to x minus 1. Shift x to the right hand side, it becomes minus x, and shift 10 to the right hand side, it becomes minus 1 and minus 10. Now 10x minus x gives us a 9x is equal to minus 1 minus 10, it is equal to minus 11. Now solve for the x, it becomes minus 11 divided by 9. Now logarithm is actually an even function, so it does not satisfy the negative value. That's why the solution for the given question will be unanswered. So this is the solution. Now move to the last part of question number 6 related with logarithmic equation f part. It tells that log of x plus 6 to the base 10 minus log of x minus 3 to the base 10 is equal to 1. Solve this type of logarithmic equation for an unknown value of x. So move towards solution. Here we will apply the same formula which is used in the previous part. 5 log of a power m minus log of n to the base a is equal to log of m divided by n to the base a. Using this formula, here the base is 10, so we will take base 10. Here we will divide the first number by 6, so x plus 6 will be divided by x minus 3 in the power is equal to 1. Now use the another formula, log of x to the base a is equal to y. So by removing logarithmic from this side, we will shift y to the power of a, and x will goes to the right hand side. This is exponential form. So using the same form over here, this one will come to the power of 10, and this power will goes to the right hand side, just like x moves to the right hand side. So the same power will move to the right hand side, it becomes x plus 6 divided by x minus 3. Now shift x minus 3 to the right hand side. 10 multiply x minus 3 is equal to x plus 6. Now multiply 10 with x minus 3, it becomes 10x minus 30 is equal to x plus 6. 10x minus 30 is equal to x plus 6. Now shift x to the left hand side, it becomes 10x minus x is equal to 6. Now shift minus 30 to the right hand side, it becomes plus 30. 10x minus x gives us 9x is equal to 6 plus 30 gives us 36. Divide both sides with 9. It will give us a value x is equal to 4. So the solution to the given part 6 of question number 6 is actually 4. So with this question, exercise number 1.2 is completed. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon to receive the upcoming notification about FSC second year mathematics. Thank you.